Grandma's not gonna go on a walk with you anymore. And she's not gonna, she said, you're probably not gonna get a pup cup after and go in the car. And then there's also not gonna be any Starbucks or Cousin Quincy. And Grandma said that she's gonna tell Daddy that
Spank that butt. Let me spank that butt. Let me spank that butt. Let me.
New trend, sneeze on your dog and see what they do.
Do it again.
Her arms were cut off. Her legs were cut off. Her ears were cut off. Her tongue was cut off. Her nose was cut off. Her eyeballs were plucked.
Can you show me your booty?
Oh, brave pocket. What are you going to do? You get some hot sauce in your mouth.
Oh, it's spicy. It's spicy.
You want some more?
He's mad at the burrito.
He is. He's got his claws out. He's really mad at it. Sure you don't want to Sure you want to try some more? No?
He
Okay,
said no.
okay.
This is my new carpet. It's new! Come on, man! No!
Raymond! Oh my God. Ooh, get it, Raymond! What are you doing? Get it! What are you, Raymond? Get the sperm! Oh, it jumped up!
You can take a small bite. Just bite the corner like this. You see? Just bite it.
Reggie, don't eat him.
Tell me you cheated in high school without telling me you cheated in high school.
I'm a senior in high school and I have done this for every single test that is multiple choice. Me and my friend thought of this freshman year. So what you do is you have your pen, and let's say you need help on question 4. You'll go. Now let's say the answer is C. You will click your pen for the answer. So ABC, 3 clicks. This has saved us so many points. We even found a way to do this on math tests. So if I need help on number 3, once again, we go. And then if I know the answer, let's say the answer is 231, I would go 2, and then click that. 3, hit the desk again, and then 1, hit the desk. Because that breaks it into 2, 3, 1.
If dogs can talk,
Don't tell the principal that I was there.
You promised. You wouldn't say a word. Just remember, no face, no case. Snitches get stitches. Jimmy. Oh, so itchy. I gotta scratch it. So itchy. Mark, can you help me out here, please? Please. No, you're not gonna help. Okay, fine. I'll use the carpet. Oh, there it is. I gotta get it. Oh, that's it. There it is.
I just need to investigate. This is so hard.
Oh, so close. Okay, listen, double or nothing. If I make this, you give me double treats, huh? Yeah, throw it up and... Oh, yeah, we're on tonight!
Oh my god, is this a new rug? Oh, I freaking love it. Oh, it feels so good on my little paws. Oh, and I love the color. It goes so well with the rest. It kind of matches me, actually. Oh, you gotta tell me where'd you get it? Can you get 7 more? I want the whole freaking house covered in these things.
I knew you'd show your face here again if I waited long enough. That's the last time you're late for our walkie.
What are you doing?
I am Batman.
Are you so
I am
cunning?
vengeance. Oh.
Not a fan.
I should not have had the extra kibble.
I think he's stuck halfway.
Stop laughing at me, it's not funny.
Hi, how are you? Do you have a moment to talk? I'm here to talk to you about your car's extended warranty. Is now a good time? Oh, you're busy DJing on Spotify? I understand. I'll try you later. I'll see myself out. Bye. Nope, please, I don't. No, I do not want to be picked up. I don't want... I'm not a puppy anymore. And unhand him!
Oh my God.
You good, Carlos? Yeah, I'm good.
Tony, I'm busting you out of here. But the owner will see you. The owner is sleeping. Oh, thanks, Tony. You didn't deserve to be in here.
Freedom.
Okay, I'm stuck.
Oh, honey, you're stuck.
Little help here? Thank you. Okay. Oh, damn it. Oh, damn it. Damn it. Damn it. Damn it. Stupid thing. Let's go, son. Let's see what you got. Oh, you got ripped. Get those weak ass handles out of here. Hey, Chad, I think your ball may be in the lake, bro. Yep. Definitely in the lake. Just wanted to double check. Hey, Simon. No way.
Olaf! Oh, I love you so much. Froze is my favorite movie and you're my favorite character. Can we please take a selfie together?
Oh, that looks tasty. How does it stay floating up there like that?
Oh, I forgot to tell you. I love you. Okay, bye!
Wow.